In this guide, I'll show you how to game share on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is select your profile in the top left corner with the Nintendo account that's bought in the games that you want to share. So once you've done that, we're going to scroll down to user settings and we're going to scroll over. Then you want to scroll down and select a Nintendo eShop settings. So this is going to open up the Nintendo eShop, and then once this loads, what you want to do is scroll over to the right and scroll down. Now, if this is the main user and Nintendo account you use on your Switch, it'll say this console is registered as your primary console, meaning that any user on your Switch can access the games and software you've purchased from the Nintendo eShop. Now, if you want to share with other people, you could either deregister this Nintendo account and user from your Switch, and then you want to sign on to a different Switch with this account, or you have the alternative of simply going onto a different Switch and signing in online. So what I mean by that is, if you go to System Settings in the bottom right corner on the other Switch that you're trying to share games with, what you want to do is scroll down and go to Users. And then once you're at Users, you want to add a new user. Now, once you've added a new user, what you want to do is select that user and go to Link Nintendo Account. And you want to link your Nintendo account that's purchased these games that you're trying to share. And then once you've linked it, if you go to the Nintendo eShop, you'll be able to download the games on that account. But do bear in mind, if you're using a secondary console, like your friends, for example, you can only access the games when connected to the internet. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.